Hello everyone, my name is Chaosheng Jiang and my English name is Joe. Today I'm going to introduce the fingerprint sensor. Firstly, I want to talk about the problem context. What is fingerprint identification? Fingerprint identification refers to the identification of different fingerprints through the details of the characteristics of points to identify. Fingerprints region recognition technology involves image processing, pattern recognition, computer vision, mathematical morphology, and other knowledge. The second question, what is fingerprint identification sensor? Fingerprint sensor is a key device to achieve automatical fingerprint connection. Each person's fingerprint is different. Even the same person, fingerprints are also significantly different. So the fingerprint can be used for identification. Because each time the identification is not exactly the same, the focal point will bring different degree of deformation, and there are a lot of fuzzy footprints. How to correctly exactly the features and achieve the correct match is the key to fingerprint recognition technology. After introduce the problem context, I will list the solution overview. The first step is through the fingerprint sensor to capture the fingerprint image. Then, fingerprint image strip is divided into a predetermined section. After that, compare each segment of the image and the next image, and calculate the average of the image transition through the overlapping regions. In the last step, the entire image of the transition value is mixed into each image bound. Now let's talk about the key technical features. Footprints are unique features of the human body, and their complexity is sufficient to identify. If you want to increase the reliability, just register more fingerprints. Scanning fingerprints is very fast, easy, and convenient. Fingerprint sensors can be more minimized, and the cost will be much lower. What are the fingerprint sensors used for in the real life? As we all know, iPhone 5 equipped with a fingerprint sensor to unlock the screen several years ago, and the new Apple products like iPad are all equipped with a fingerprint sensor to bring customers convenience. Because of that, people can use fingerprint sensors to make a payment just by using an iPhone. What's more, many access control systems are using fingerprint sensors as well. In the end, what are the future developments for the fingerprint sensor? Future development can be divided into four aspects. Firstly, the security system requires a higher degree of security protection. Secondly, the identification of the clouded identification technology. The third one is for urban public affairs, and the last is from the real life into the international Internet Virtual World Certification. That's all for the introduction of the fingerprint sensor. Thank you for your time.